This video describes how to add a finance company to QQ Catalyst. From anywhere within the program, you can click on New Contact from the dock. Set your contact type to finance companies and choose their current status. Select the designated location for the company and enter their contact information. Once you click Next, your finance company will be saved in your contacts. Now that you have entered the guided workflow, you may begin with entering phone numbers and email addresses for your finance company. Enter as many phone numbers and email addresses as you need. You can move around by clicking on the guided workflow tabs. Navigation in the guided workflow is simple and intuitive. You can click on the Next tab to go forward in the workflow and Previous to go back in the workflow. Use the guided workflow tabs to go directly to the specific section that you need. Clicking on the double arrows will show more sections if there are sections that are not visible on the page. Clicking on the page number section will move you back or forward one page. While you are working, if you need to go to a different part of QQ Catalyst, you can always stack where you are and come back later. When you get to the addresses page, enter all the information and make sure to select the proper address type. You can add as many addresses as you need. On the business information page, enter the necessary information for your finance company. In the business contacts page, once you've added a contact and saved it, you can edit it or remove it. On the payment information tab, add in the correct number of days in the Remit By field. The Remit By field is the number of days from the effective date of the policy that the agency has to forward money to the finance company. The minimum down payment is the minimum amount the agency should be collecting for this finance company when the agency issues a policy. This field provides a warning to the agent regarding what the finance company accepts as a minimum down payment. Also, select your down payment and premium finance option for this finance company. On the Link Carriers tab, you can select which carriers will work with this finance company. By default, all carriers will be linked to this company unless you specifically indicate carriers in this section. If the carrier is not in your drop-down list, then you may stack so that QQ Catalyst will remember this place and then go add your carrier through the New Contact button. For instructions on how to add a carrier, please see the video on that topic. Add any social media contact information and then click Finish. You will be taken to the Active Finance Company Overview page. From here, you can make any edits that are needed. Here's what you have just seen in this video: how to add a finance company, including payment information, using the guided workflow, how to navigate through the guided workflow, and how to stack.